Assalamu alaikum folks, this is your host Yazidar. In today's video, I'll be showing you a mod of the Faucet script that goes by the name Faucet in a box, and this one is a modified form of R118 that didn't support USDC payments. So I've added USDC in the payouts, and now you can download this via the description link down below. Once you download it, you can upload it in your file manager in your domain root directory. And now you're going to click on extract and click on extract files. And now you're going to click on reload. And once you go into the Faucet in a box R-R118 folder, you're going to click on select all, and you're going to move all of these files back into your domain root. And now we're going to click on config.php and enter our database details. For simplicity purposes, I have already created a database, and now I'm going to just paste the details over here. And now let's click on save changes. Now I'm going to open this website and see what comes up. As you can see, the website has been installed successfully. Let's copy this password. And now I'm going to click here that says click here to continue. And now I'm going to scroll down and show you that this supports USDC as currency and also FaucetPay in this service also. So now I'm going to add the API key. I'm going to uncheck the disallow claiming with email, and I'm also going to enter the captcha keys, and I'll see you later. And as you can see, I have added the service API key. I have also added the captcha keys, and I've also disabled disallow claiming with email. And now once we go back to the faucet, now we're going to refresh it, and you can see that it's active over here and it says USDC. So now I'm going to fill in the captcha and I'm going to make a little claim. So now I'm going to click on get reward. So as you can see, 10 Satoshis were sent to me on my FaucetPay account. So let's go back to FaucetPay and hit refresh. So as you can see, when I scroll down, that mod faucets has sent me 10 USDC Satoshis. So this means that the script is working, and you can also check the manually sent coins in the admin over here. It also works, and I have tested it. So this was all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.